Good morning.
You look a bit cold, Ollie.
Freezing, mate. My face is all red as well.
Okay,
I just
right.
saw it in the camera.
We'll bleep that out.
Sorry, my bad.
It's
quite cold.
It's rather freezing, isn't
It's
it?
rather cold.
Yes.
God, the fingers are numb.
So what are we doing today, mate?
Concreting.
Concreting. Yes. Bit of a Brucey bonus. Ollie sent me a text last night saying, "Mate, are you? I'm available." And I was like, "Oh yes." So I've got an Ollie who's clearly younger, prettier, and better than me in all ways. So
You're not wrong.
Yeah, it's true. It's
Yeah.
true. Right, should we get on and do some concreting, warm ourselves up?
Yeah, mate.
Yes. Let's do
Let's
it.
get to it.
Let's
No
get
better
on with
way.
it. Come on, I'm going to stick you guys. Over here. There we go. Right.
You have a lumpy or I guess sledgehammer over here.
There's a big boy sledgehammer somewhere around here, but there's some other ones. But that one's got the most oomph to it.
The most bunty.
Perfecto. Doesn't really matter too much. It's an exercise in holding it up, and then you can remove everything from underneath. We are still level. We are still level. Yeah, how you getting on, alright?
Fine, yeah.
Is this a better task than raking leaves?
Yeah, but harder on my fingers.
You never know. You never know.
You never know, do you?
You never know, Ollie, do you?
You never know. They got nibs and they got the reel for the wire.
Yeah.
And then
They are the kiddies. They are the concrete ninja. Well, when we do the, we'll pour a load in to begin with, and then of concrete, and then put the board in. So there'll be a little bit of concrete in the bottom, up to about here, and then we'll put the board in and then pull that back, and then as we put more in, they should equalise each other.
Yeah.
Type of fair.
Love it, mate. Fantastic.
Oh, brother.
So smart.
Oh, thanks, mate. I like this. This is like, I like the positivity.
Yeah, I know, it's good, isn't it? We're gonna back each other up sometimes, mate.
I appreciate you, brother.
You're gonna back up each other and back onto each other sometimes, right?
Oh,
Do you know what I'm saying? Do you know what I'm saying, mate?
I know what you're saying, brother. Right. give it as like 30 seconds and then we'll tip that one. Yep. Well, everyone, quick, gathering. There we go. We're all here. We did it. Look at that behind us. Aren't we clever?
Are we?
Good, mate.
Yeah, we're good, aren't we? We're good. Anyway, I hope you like this one, and we got a tiny little bit of time for a tiny little bit of beer, and then we're going to go to have dinner with Ollie, where we'll have a bit more beer.
Yeah, mate. Without a doubt.
Yeah.
Rude not to.
He's gone. Thursday night beer, so let's see what Richie's like tomorrow morning. See you tomorrow. Bye.